I have received this unit, and customer reported problem is device is not working. It's mean no sound. So I just connected to the power board and press button. Device having sound, but it is not receiving signal through push button. So just do by pressing volume control button, function button, music button. See the symbol of music. You just press it and insert light glow, then release and do the input once again. When light will blinking continuously, then release it and just press the push button for pairing the push button to the device. Now it is resolved by resetting the device. Now device is working fine. See. See. Now it's working. Thanks.